He was going broke, bills piling up, family counting on him. Then he discovered a secret AI agent, Manus, and in 30 days he pulled in $10,000. This isn't sci-fi. This is what people are quietly doing right now with autonomous AI. Stay till the end. I'll show you exactly how he did it, and how you can too. Michael lived in a tiny apartment, juggling bills, failed contracts, and the humiliation of asking family for help. He sold a few logos each month. The rest was stress and empty hope. One day, he reconnected with Brian, a former coworker who introduced him to Manus, an AI agent capable of handling complex tasks without supervision, managing replies, automating workflows, and creating visual or written content on command. Desperate, Michael invested his last savings into the beta version. His sister Sarah warned him it was risky, but he believed this was his final shot. Michael launched an automated landing page business, offering small companies a Manus-powered marketing system. He used Manus to write copy, design pages, send emails, respond to clients, and analyze results, all running in the background. Within a week, he earned $700 from 2 clients. He refined his process, built 10 templates, and scaled up, managing 5 to 10 clients simultaneously. By the end of the month, $10,500 in revenue. Debts cleared. Confidence restored. Lessons learned. Don't build a client. Build a system. Be the conductor, not the worker. Use autonomous AI like Manus to create repeatable models and deliver more with less human effort. Michael's story can be yours. The next millionaire might be someone who simply discovered AI first and used it smartly. Don't wait for tech to change. Be the one who leads it. Explore agentic AI and start building your own system today.